In this tutorial, I'll show you how to add or delete staff accounts from RISE. First, go to utahrise.org and log in to Tide. Once logged in, go to the Users tab, and if you're adding a user, select Add Users. All you need to add a user is their email address, so add that and select Add User or Add Roles to User with this email. On this screen, enter in their name and their Cactus ID if it's a teacher. If it's a school administrator or a proctor or classified employee, you don't need to add a Cactus ID, but if it's a teacher, the Cactus ID should get added at some point because that's how they get connected to their roster. Select their role and their school and click Save. And now that teacher has an account. To delete accounts, go to the Users menu and select View, Edit, Export User. You can search for all roles or just a teacher role, up to you, and search by any of these fields. And when you find the teacher that you want to delete, select their record and click the trash can icon, Delete, and confirm. And now that teacher is no longer in the RISE system. If you have any questions, please let me know. You can reach me at brooke.anderson@jordandistrict.org or at 801-567-8393.